Finally back. It's been a while, almost 4 days, I believe. There's been no video and I wasn't on the charts. That was my first day back at the charts. Traded the morning session, took one trade, took a W there, about 500 bucks there. Was a bit of a longer trade. I believe I was in it for somewhere around 20 if not 30 minutes, but it was looking very nice, so I took it. But yeah, unfortunately it entered some form of consolidation right when I entered, but once it was close to hitting the take profit, it started picking up some pace, and then it was a pretty clean trade after all. But okay, let me show it to you. So this is the beauty right here. We had a lot of consolidation coming into Monday. As you can see here, not a lot of action going on here, but there was a little bit of volume around London. We had our London highs forming the all-time highs as well. And I didn't really have a clear direction that day. I was just looking whether the price was going to come into this 50-minute fair value gap and react off of there, or sweep these highs, sweep the sell side here, or the NFP lows that we still haven't taken from Friday of last week. And even though we didn't have any kind of news today, and it's a Monday, price was pretty volatile in the first minutes of the day. And well, once price started to kick in a little bit, we got the first presented right here. But I wasn't going to just enter off of it because this was just not very telling. And we had SMTs on both sides of the highs and of the lows with the S. So wasn't really sure which direction to go. But then once we took this high here and we filled this new week opening gap actually right in the first minute of the open, I was more inclined to go lower since the opening gap was already filled. So it's more likely to go back down, and price formed this nice fair value gap here, close below the first presented as well. So I was inclined to give it a shot, and it did work out, although it gave me a bit of a pain around here, and I was thinking about closing it early multiple times during this move here, but it ended up playing out pretty well. And as you can see, even this data low down here has been hit. So I mean, I had a lot of time today. I could have maybe held it down to here, but that wasn't certain. I mean, it's a Monday and we had no news today, so I didn't really believe that price would go all the way down there, but we did reach that in the end. For the PM session, I had a small little idea. First, I was looking at 15 minutes and 5 minutes. I was first thinking of going long here in this 15 minutes because we had a 15 minute and a 5 minute lining up here. So I thought that maybe once we react a little bit, I could get in on a 1 minute, maybe take price until here. But that didn't happen. We just straight up inverted it. And once that happened, I was looking to enter on a sell here off of this order block and this fair value gap. But price didn't give me the entry. And as you can see, price is about to hit my would have take profit, which would have been a nice trade, but you know, didn't hit, so I was already pretty green for the day, so don't have to force anything. And we'll just continue tomorrow like we always do. Yeah, let me know how you guys trading day went, if you took anything. If you was at the charts today at all, I wouldn't blame you if you wasn't, because judging by the news and by the fact that it was Monday, might as well just skip the day. But there was some nice opportunities and I'm happy that I found them. With that being said, we have another chill day tomorrow of no news before we then kick off CPI and PPI further down the week. So wish you guys good luck with your trading. But yeah, that's really it from me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.